Hi guys, it's Dallas with your 2-minute tip for today. So when I was young, I used to watch these reruns on this thing called Nick at Something, and it was one of those shows that was, here's a man that met this woman and he had 4 kids and she had 4 kids and you know the story. Anyway, the little girl on there used to brush her hair with this long, golden, beautiful hair 100 times at night that I saw on one of the shows. And I was like, why does little white girl brushing her hair so much? I mean, what is it? Anyway, fast forward, I go to hair school and find out, little Miss Thing had a point, okay? Correct hair brushing will stimulate the blood circulation in the scalp as well as help remove debris, dirt, hairspray buildup, and add shine. Miss Thing was dropping nuggets early, way back in the day, and we didn't even know. So here's my tip for you. I suggest that before your service of shampoo and blow dry and style, do a thorough brushing on your gust. Now, here's a couple of factors that you might not want to do it, or I suggest not doing it. Not might not, I suggest not doing it. If she has irritation on the scalp, you shouldn't be brushing or shampooing or doing anything with her at that point. But if there's irritation, definitely you shouldn't brush the hair. Also, if you're doing a chemical service on the head, no, you don't want to disturb the hair, the scalp if you're doing a chemical service, such as a relaxer. No. If you're doing any kind of color service or lightener service, you definitely don't want to disturb the strands of the hair with a brush at that point in time. So there you have it. That is your 2-minute tip for today. Nuggets that they were dropping back in the day. Here's a story of a lovely lady. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.